Okay, so welcome guys. This is mathematics topic geometric progression of a pattern of numbers 2, 4, 8. So the numbers goes to infinity there. If you look at this pattern of numbers, you are going to see that in order for us to go to the second term, there is a constant that they are multiplying with, known as the common ratio. So if you look at these numbers, if you say 2 times 2 gives us 4, 4 times 2 gives us what? 8. Okay. So what do? We say term number 1 is always represented as what? As A. So this is our term number 1. Then our term number 2. So if you say the first term A times the common ratio should actually give us second term. So if you say 2 times 2 gives you 4. Then you go to term number 3. This is first term times R to give us ART squared. What about if there is a term that you don't know, or the nth term, term number 60, term number 80? We are going to see that from these terms, A is going to be there. So if you see term number 3, the first term is A, then you have 2 R's. So even the nth term that we don't know, we can say this should be times R, okay? So the R's there are reducing. Instead of 3, they're only 2. So there we can say n minus 1, so that the result is A R n minus 1. Using this formula, we can find the term that we want. For example, if we want to find term number 4, we know that 8 times 2 is 16. We can verify using this. We can say term number 4 should give us ARn minus 1. Term number 1 is A times common ratio is 2, n is 4 minus what? 1. So this would be 2 times 2, 4 minus 1 is 3 times. So 2 power 3 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. So our term number 4 there is what? 16. So this is how we find the term that is known. So we need to make sure that in our studies, remember now we can find any term that is given using the formula for finding the nth term. So this is the formula for finding the nth term. So apart from this, under geometric progression, we also get to discuss the geometric mean. So I'm going to erase this so that we can demonstrate. Okay, so for the geometric mean, we've been given a pattern of numbers A, B, and also C. This one we said the second term is, or rather the common ratio is found by either multiplying or by what? Dividing. So here we can say term number 2 over term number 1. So our term number 2 is B, term number 1 is what? Is A. This should be, we're saying this common ratio is constant throughout the pattern there. So even term number 3, also term number B should also give us the common ratio. From there now we cross multiply. So B squared, B times B is B squared, A times C is AC. So get rid of square there. We're going to find that B should be square root of AC, implying that if you are taught to find the geometric mean, you simply look for a term which is at the middle there, which is B. So in this case, the geometric mean there is B. When you multiply AC, then that's the square root. So this is how you demonstrate finding the number of terms that are there. This is how you demonstrate for finding the common ratio. This is how we use this to demonstrate formula for finding the geometric mean. So thank you guys for watching. See you in another episode.